How to change Google Maps theme on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Google Maps theme on Android phone. First open Google Maps and then click here on your profile, and now just click settings, and here we'll find it theme. Click on it, and here you can make it light or dark, and or you can just select this one here, same as device theme, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and apps again, and type here maps and click on it, and then just go to storage, clear cache. Now try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.